5,000 breath can make you rich in the heat of the bull market, and I'm going to show you why in this very video, and the reason why you should get some breath into your portfolio. And Bitcoin is retracing a little bit to the downside, plus ton listing on Binance. This is a crazy move all the way to the upside for the ton blockchain. All of this in this very video, so watch this video to the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about crypto, day trading and investing strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Breath is at a very critical point where I am expecting the market to begin to move all the way to the upside. But before then, 5,000 breath can make you rich in the heat of the bull market, and the exact point that you need to get breath for the next move all the way to the upside is this very area. If you look at this chart, market is coming back down, creating lower lows. So we have this very support, we have this low right here, and we have a lower low at this very point. And this is very, very important on the chart right now as market keep creating lows. But for you to enter a position right now, we must have to pay attention to two things on the chart before buying breath, okay? And those two things is, number one, this level of resistance. So we have a resistance trend line at this very point. If the market has not moved upward and have a breakout on this very level of resistance right here, then that aggressive pump is not going to come in the breath chart. Okay, so this chart, there must be a movement to the upside, and then a breakout here will make the market to move all the way to the upside, because we have the resistance obey at this point. We have this very area, we have this area as well, and this very point, and this very point also. So if you notice, this resistance is very strong, so we need a strong move to break out of this level before the market will begin to move all the way to the upside. And the second thing you need to pay attention to is the fact that this also creates a nice resistance trend line. So we need the indicator, which is the RSI indicator, to break out of this very level of resistance on the RSI indicator. What this means is market on the RSI should move upward and break this area. Then we will be very sure that market is about to move all the way into the overbought condition. This is what you must have to pay attention to on the breath chart at the moment. I believe breath is going to do very, very well in the heat of the bull market in 2025. And mind you, it is always nice for you to buy token when the token have not been listed on major exchanges. Not only that, when it is very, very low. So for now, it is good to get some breath into your portfolio by dollar cost averaging your position. What that means is you can buy here with 25% or 50% at this very point where the market is right now. And when the market drop back down, if there's a possible drop in the future, you buy more as well before the market will move up to this very point. You should be in profit, because when you bought here, market drop back down, and the one you bought at this very point by dollar cost averaging, and the market move up to this very position where you bought the first one, then you should be in profit before that aggressive pump is going to come into the market and break this very area of important resistance. This is one of the best way to pattern your investment portfolio, and this is very important for all breath holders. So the best time to buy is now. One very important thing right here that I always talk about is buying token when it has not been listed on major exchanges. Look at what happened to Ton right here. Ton was listed on Binance in the past 2 days, and you see this aggressive move on Ton. Ton is one of the layer 1 and 2 blockchain that is moving right now all the way to the upside, and a lot of liquidity is moving into this very ecosystem. And as it was listed on Binance, aggressive move on this very chart, and the same thing is going to happen on breath. And that is why I am saying that 5,000 breath is going to make you rich in the heat of the bull market. And here is why. If you look at Brave on the coin market cap, you see is 0.09814 right now. This is the current market price. Brave is on the base ecosystem, as you can see right at this very point, okay? And it have 10 billion max supply, and the total supply equal to the circulating supply. That means everything is in circulation. One important thing is, if you look at the exchanges that Brave is listed on, you discover we have Bybit here, we have Git.io, we have KuCoin, we have BitGet, we have BIMX, L-Bank, and the rest of them right here. If you notice, you don't have a lot of tier 1 exchange right here. The only tier 1 exchange you have at this very point is Bybit. There is no OKX, there is no Binance, there is no Robinhood, and there is no Coinbase exchange as well. So what this means is, when Brave get the listing on these major tier 1 exchanges, definitely this kind of move is going to happen on this very chart. And you don't want to miss out on that kind of aggressive move all the way to the upside. And that is why I believe strongly that Brave is going to have that very aggressive move to the upside, because it does not have major tier 1 exchanges listing, and it's going to come in the future definitely. And also in the heat of the bull market, is going to feel the price of Brave all the way to the upside. So the best time to buy Brave is right now. Buy 50%, like I always say, or 25%, and as the market keep going down, you keep buying, hoping for that very move to come into the market for you to be in profit. And this is the best way to buy. Don't wait for when the market has moved all the way to the upside and then buy at higher prices. You buy at lower prices and hoping when the market move upward, you're going to be in profit and collect profit when the time of collecting profit comes. And this is very important right now. So let's say, for example, you want to invest in Brave with the least $500, and you want to buy at the current market price. So if you use a $500 and you buy Brave at the current market price right now, which is 0.098 right here, and you get this, you're going to have 5,102 Brave. This is the quantity of this token you're going to have in your portfolio. And if we multiply this, I believe Brave should do $20, minimum $20 in the heat of the bull market. And the reason why I have such price prediction, because this very bull market is different from every other bull market that we've seen in the crypto space. So from here to $20, this is the amount you're going to have in the heat of the bull market by investing $500 into this very token, where it is right now. You will be making 102k, okay, $102,000 in the heat of the bull market. This is crazy, guys, and the market can go all the way above this very value. This is my expectation. Brave should give us $20 per Brave in the heat of the bull market. So if you invest in this, you're going to be rich in this very bull market by investing $500 in Brave right now. And this is very important, guys. The most important thing is that this thing you see on Tone, by Tone getting listed on Binance the past 2 days, is going to also happen on Brave when it get the listing on Coinbase, Robinhood, Binance, and also OKX. Expect that very aggressive move on Brave. And on the Bitcoin chart, if you look at the BTC chart right at this very point, you discover that the market is having this reduced momentum from the bulls all the way to the downside gradually. I still believe market is going to move upward, but note that we are not going to see any aggressive move until a very major, this major resistance is broken. And that is what I am still paying attention to. Market have capacity of moving from here gradually to the downside and then still move upward. So what I am expecting right now is this retracement to still continue, in as much as the chart can move a little bit down before moving upward, okay? But this retracement is very certain. Market is going to retrace significantly to the upside before continuation to the downside, because if you notice, we have a support here, we have a support here, we have a support here, and we have a support at this very point. And all of these supports are creating lower lows, which is what is very important on the chart. And I made mention the fact that before we see any aggressive move on Bitcoin, we must see the market break out on this level of resistance. This resistance, there must be a breakout here. And once that breakout happens, the market is going to move aggressively to the upside and create a new all-time high. Then another point that you need to pay attention to as well on the Bitcoin chart is this very area of integral resistance. This very horizontal resistance is also very important on the chart between this very price level of 73k and this price level of 70k. This is also very important on the chart at the moment. So don't expect any aggressive move to the upside on Bitcoin until we see these two level break before the market can begin to pick up with an aggressive move and create a new all-time high on BTC USDT 1-day chart. This is what you still have to pay attention to on the 1-day chart. Get some breadth into your portfolio. 5,000 breadth can make you rich in the heat of the bull market. What that means is a $500 investment can make you over 100k as breadth move to $20 per token in the heat of the bull market in 2025. Get some breadth into your portfolio. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.